Well, it is snowing in California. Well, it is snowing in California. We're in Northern California, so it happens. Yeah. A fair bit of snow, at least for this area, and it's expected to continue for a while. We finished the turkey coop, at least as much as we could get before we have to go off to families. At least as much as we could get done before we have to go off for Thanksgiving. And the turkeys should be pretty cozy in this, at least for the next few days. A little bit of snow is not going to hurt them. It doesn't get that cold around here. Shorts weather for most of you out on the East Coast. And there's the animals. Our littlest turkey right here waiting to go in. So, have a happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we will see you later.